It's an invasion of birds. Birds are invading. Birds are invading the Philippines. Johansen put this in the news. Look, it's an invasion of birds. I'm afraid they might go to the wire. They're going to a wire. God, there's so many.
They are called migratory bird.
Migratory bird.
They came from other country
They also come from other countries.
because in their place when it's snow time
Or nighttime.
snow when it's snowing to their place they go to other countries which is tropical countries like Philippines. Philippines is a tropical country.
What a nice fact. Which might be scaring people. This might be scaring people. Oh, they're at SM too. SM is supermarket. AKA the supermarket for the Philippines. In case you didn't know. But I'm sure Cindy does. The birds are taking
Maybe they are invading our country.
Oh, that's what I said. That's what I said. Invading the sky. They're invading the sky. Me too. I see yellow things right now on the wires.
They are migratory birds,
You already said that.
not invading us.
You see that? Uh-oh.